अच्छा चलो युगम और भरत, मैं तुम्हें एक बात बता देना चाहता हूँ। फाइनली तुम हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हो अब, तो तुम्हें जानना बनता है कि नीलेश और खुशी डेटिंग कर रहे हैं। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग, दे आर एक्चुअली डेटिंग। भाई कोई तो रिएक्शन दो, वो डेट कर रहे हैं मेरी दोनों। तुम दोनों।
मेरी बात सुनो,
हाँ हाँ,
काम करें।
ये भी काम ही हो रहा है यहाँ पे।
मुझे पता है, बट अभी जो मेन है वो भी चीज,
ये भी मेन है खुशी,
प्लीज एक बार ही देख।
ये भी मेन है।
लव भी,
दिस इज ऑल्सो मेन।
हमें लव तुझे ये दिखाना है कि तू बहुत तगड़ा इंसान है, बस कर।
नहीं ऐसा नहीं भाई, मैं ये अगर इसके बाद भी वीडियो अच्छी नहीं आती ना, नॉट माई फॉल्ट।
बट जब मैं 2-3 रपट मारती हूँ ना सारे जैसे छोरों को, तो तुम उठ नहीं उठ जाते हो, समझ रहा है? चल निकल रहे थे।
बताओ अंकल जी कैसी लगी उस लड़की की हरियाणवी?
हरियाणवी बेकार लगी ना। मेरे बाप ऐसा कि है तेरे बाप, ये तू यहाँ पार्क में हंड है बेटी रोड़ी वो करे पीछे की हो रहा है।
पर ये तो शूटिंग चल रही है।
शूटिंग कैसी है यार?
शूटिंग चल रही है हमारी पिक्चर वीडियो की।
अरे बेकार वीडियो,
बेकार वीडियो
ऐसा है ना, हम तो वो लोकल आदमी है।
चलो ठीक है,
सत बात,
चलो बाय बाय।
बाय खुश रहो।
What's up people? By the way, almost halfway done with the shoot. It's like 80% done. सिर्फ 20% बच गया and it's going pretty well. अगर तुमने इस skit पे भी अच्छे कमेंट्स, नहीं मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा, but it depends. Like if you like it, you surely appreciate it. If you don't, so let us know. But in a
No, if you don't like it, appreciate it again. नहीं तो अड़े ही गाड़ दूंगी।
आप थोड़े गाड़ देगी,
अड़े ही गाड़
देगी भाई हरियाणवी छोरी। ये बिल्कुल फोकस नहीं कर रहा। सेल्फी भैया, सेल्फी मिल गया। Guess what? We are done with the work. It was pretty tiring, but I hope the result should be good. Doesn't matter much, although. और देखो नीलेश आज फिर वेला मेरी तरफ देख रहा था, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ साले। भरत कैसा लगा हमारे साथ काम करके भाई? साले झूठ मत बोल।
बहुत बढ़िया।
ठीक है, ये देखो खुशी अपने भाई से बात कर रही थी। युगम काफी लोग तेरे को क्यूटी वूटी बोल रहे थे लास्ट व्लॉग में।
ठीक है, बच गया, किसी को लगी नहीं।
तुझे रख ले। एक सेकंड ब्रो। Yeah, had food. Now we are going. Almost done with everything. It's like 6:30 somehow. और अब मैं अपने best friend से मिलने जा रहा हूँ because he's in Hoskas and he just called me. He was like, oh, we should catch up. And I was like, yes, we should totally catch up. Nilesh, do you like my best friend? Well, let's meet. Come on, you have already met him. Yes. Yes. चलो मिलते हैं. Awesome weather. Such awesome people. And with an awesome guy. They are having a conversation. They're going to fight today.
It's playing. It might be something which doesn't have a star.
रिश्तों के भी रूप बदलते हैं, कैमरा वाले कभी एडिटिंग वाले भी बनते हैं। वो बेचारी, ये होता है जब तुम्हारी हाइट नहीं होती।
ओह प्लीज, मैं ऐसे भी बना सकती हूँ, बट मैं उसे अच्छे से देखना चाहती हूँ।
क्यों इतनी बना के रही? कुछ ये देखो मैगी, जिसमें मैं चाय बनाने वाला था।
इसमें भी साइंस होती है, ठीक है ना? मैगी में भी बहुत साइंस होती है। किसी की मैगी बहुत गंदी बनती है, मेरी बहुत अच्छी बनती है।
We will decide that once we have it. What's up people? That's right. After pretty long I'm saying this. What's up people? What's up Kushi?
Nothing much. We're not in India. Yes, you guessed it right.
Exactly. Actually बड़े दिनों से ना मेरा तो मन नहीं कर रहा था बिल्कुल ब्लॉग करने का, because there was some negative energy going on which we don't want to tell you for sure.
There's no negative energy. Positive.
It's her girlfriend. It's her girlfriend. Because of her girlfriend everything is happening. Whatever the thing is, we are today's Saturday. By the way, we are supposed to upload a video.
Okay, so whenever it comes to shopping, Love calls me every single time whenever he wants to like shop. This is fucked up. Like he calls the least interested person, like who really want to shop, and that is me. मेरा B-roll है।
नहीं यहाँ पे जो मॉल्स में थे महंगी कपड़े थे, don't even feel like taking. There was a shirt that was very good, but it was 2,700. Like my budget is like 6,000. That's all.
Oh!
Like that's the worst part. Worst part is like I have to be like this, like this.
मैंने तुझे बोला था ना यहाँ पे H&M नहीं है। Guys, this बच्चा, his t-shirt is like, see, Kitni cool. I need this. I need this. Please give it to me. The thing that I really hate is that why this guy have this t-shirt. You guys need to give me. Like, we do not get gifts now.
We don't have PO box number.
No, why we don't have that? That's really sad.
Exactly same. But I got because I have to buy something because I came for shopping. This is what I get. Buying this because
He's tired of wearing this.
I'm tired of wearing this.
It's
So I'm
not
gonna
greedy.
wear it.
Like, guys, if you think we are like, you know, we are rich, we're very poor. The hip bump. अब love लोगों से पूछेगा क्या मैं इसमें जितना मोटा दिखता हूँ उतना ही लग रहा हूँ. Guys, what do you think love would take? Like when it comes to shoes.
Look at this.
बाल भी देखो इसके. Our cab is there. We have to, like, he's waiting for us. He'll charge extra.
But he's playing such an amazing song. I love this song.
जाओ, खड़े होके सुन क्या मैं कैब में बैठ के जाओ.
क्यों?
सीढ़ियों से.
What's the people another day in our life for sure? That's the thing. It's been pretty long. We have not been to CP. Finally, we are in CP and we're kind of doing something. We are not sure about it till now, but as usual, Khushi is busy on her phone.
Because I'm like,
She doesn't have time for me.
because it's just that my periods come on time. Don't open this camera. You think I'll speak like I was speaking. First of all, guys, I'm not fucking drunk. Sometimes whenever I speak like this, that doesn't mean that I'm fucking drunk. We're planning to go to Australia because we're
That was so funny. Like we are.
because we're so done with India.
यहाँ से साकिब जाने के ऑटो के पैसे है नहीं, planning to go to Australia.
We don't even have 200 rupees right now. That's sad.
That's how we roll. That's how we gonna do. That's it. We're just. We need this bag. Take this bag from me. Get off your lazy ass, Nilesh. Don't
B?
fucking smile. He's fucking smiling. Oh my god, love. Get up. Like you've got new red shoes. You should be like the most energetic person today.
खुशी नहीं, खुशी नहीं, खुशी नहीं, खुशी मत हिला. We couldn't shoot it, but we wanted to shoot. आज हमने नीलेश का दिन भी बर्बाद कर दिया. काफ़ी लोग पूछते रहते हैं नीलेश भी अच्छे ब्लॉग्स क्यों नहीं डालता, क्योंकि हम उसका दिन बर्बाद कर देते हैं. That's the reality.
Prediction कर रहा हूँ, this is not going in the vlog.
The thing is, here's my assistant. He has to do all of the work for me, and that is his task for today. What do you get me? I want to see
Can get
him.
you, man. I got you this menu. I got you this menu. I got you this menu. Is this? There is 2 more. So, ma'am, you can select, and I will get everything done within 5 minutes. Ma'am, should I hold it and like?
Yeah, fine. Honey chili potato.
Oh, ma'am, you're so sweet. That's the best boss in the world. Oh, this is so cool. B-roll, 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 B-roll.
What is the meaning of B-roll? बता.
When your camera rolls like this. खुशी जा चुकी है, हम उसे घर छोड़ के आ गए और हम नेहरू प्लेस घूम रहे हैं. बहुत बड़ा झूठ है. खुशी कैब में चलेगी, हमें कुछ काम था इसलिए, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू ड्रिंक बियर. आई फील नॉट वे टू मच. फोकस क्यों नहीं कर रहा साला?
Nothing is good for health when you're taking it too much.
Yeah, exactly. Like when you're even eating a lot of food, you becomes like me. I saw the comment, somebody commented on your vlog. Love को बोल gym कर ले. I seriously need to do it, but oh my god, don't ask me. That is another phase, another side of life which you doesn't know. Allowed to do so. उसने भाई बाहुबली 1 देखे अभी तक? नहीं ना? Same here. Like I really want to know how many of you have not seen Bahubali 1. I can't even think of watching 2 obviously because I have not seen the 1. This is like the 4th time I'm coming from this gate. It was basically the passport thing. Every time there are some stupid reasons that I'm not able to get my passport. Finally I will able to and Ashwarya is calling me, I don't know why. So what happened, जब मैंने last time passport fill किया था तो उस time yeah, I'm getting all the updates now, thank God for that. I couldn't show up on the like showed on the date, that file did not get closed and I actually applied for the new one. So eventually जब तक last वाली तुम्हारी close नहीं होती तो तुम नई वाली के लिए apply नहीं कर सकते. प्रैंक कर रहे हैं, आओगे हवेली पे कभी, तो हमने टास्क दिया एक दूसरे को क्योंकि कोई देखेगा नहीं, तो वी हैव टू राइट हिंदी में आओगे कभी हवेली पे. लेट्स सी कि कौन लिख पाएगा. नीलेश्वी इज लाइक टू मच क्लूलेस, सेम हियर, नॉट शोइंग इट, बट खुशी इज लाइक आई एम गोना नेल इट. लेट्स सी. मैंने भी लिख दिया.
पंजाबी भी लिखनी आती है.
हाँ मैं तो भूल गया, पर मैं भूल गया. फ्रेंच भी आती है मेरे को, बॉन्जोर लिखना.
बॉन्जोर लिखना सबको आता है.
वो कभी हवेली पे
ओगे कभी हवेली,
और इसने लिखा है आइए कभी हवेली पर, आजा कभी हवेली पे. कभी ओ फक
क्यों तो अच्छा
कभी नीलेश्वी.
So proud of you guys.
डुप्लीकेट ब्यूटी हर टाइम लिपस्टिक लगाती रहती है.
क्योंकि मैं सारी लिपस्टिक खा जाती हूँ. That's what is wrong with me.
तो नीलेश help her in eating lipstick.
Shut the fuck up. I'll help you.
Oh, I'm coming close.
There's a baby inside. You wanna see my neck? There's a baby inside. I love you guys so much that I can't even rap, but I'm trying. You know what? Why? Because I hate love. I cannot try. Shut the fuck up. Close the shittiest camera. And this one.
We are done with the shoot, and guess what? What do you think that Nilesh and Khushi must be doing right now? So basically, let's talk about the video we shot today. The video is basically Chaloge Kya Aap Haveli Pe, that video we did today. It's gonna be coming out. It must be already out, I'm sure about it. So one more thing, like the video was very easy to do. It didn't take much of time. Like it took only 3-4 hours and we were done with it. And I'm pretty sure it's not gonna take a lot of time in editing also at the same time. But moreover, this kind of content is like not something which if I be honest, I'm doing it for views. But you know, it doesn't feel like we are doing a lot of effort in it. It doesn't feel like we hum bahut zyada hard work kar rahe, we are putting a lot of effort. What's up, bro? Yeah, that was a harsh reality. Because when we do a skit video, when we do like a challenge video, it feels like we are putting a lot of effort. So guys, signing off on this note. Why I'm looking over there? I should look over here. ये देखो, ये बोस बी वाला मरेगा साले.
छोड़ ना, तुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. चल, मैं नहा के भी नहीं आई हूँ. मेरे बालों में तेल लगाया, पूरे मुंह को ऑयल लगाया. चल ले. तुमसे पूछ रही हूँ
क्या
मुंह धो के आया. फिर मैंने अच्छी से देखा, मैं तो नहा के ही आया होगा.
हाँ, मैं भी नहा के आया. भैया, कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा? बाहुबली ने कटप्पा को मारा, कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को. पता ही नहीं आपको?
इसलिए मारा क्योंकि वो अपने बेटे को.
आपने भी देख ली? अरे वाह. चलो बाय बाय भैया.
जाते हो बेसिकली आपको कंटेंट जो आप YouTube पे क्रिएट कर रहे हो वही आपको कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है. बट फर्क इतना है कि ये लाइव है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
ऐश्वर्या किससे बात कर रही है तू?
मैं तितली, रविंदर और मेघा से बात कर रही हूँ.
ओह हाय तितली, टू द व्लॉग्स.
हाय टू द व्लॉग.
हाय तितली, व्हाट्स अप.
We were like thinking something and we had some ideas and all that, so we were talking about that shit. So Aishwarya, say bye bye now just. Because now you're going. She's leaving us because she has to go somewhere else. कहना चाहोगे तुम?
नहीं.
खुशी की हरियाणवी को कुछ कितने नंबर दोगे तुम?
नहीं, खुशी की वो ही अच्छी थी, कुछ अच्छा है ना तुम्हारी वीडियो में.
हाँ, तेरी लास्ट वाली बहुत अच्छी थी, उससे तो ज्यादा लाइक्स आए उस पे. ठीक है, जब से हमने पानी भी नहीं पिया, पता है? बिकॉज मैं बिजली का बिल बचा रहा था.
वो बात नहीं, हम डेडिकेटेड थे खुशी कितना ज्यादा. फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई गेस.
Wait.
Nobody knows me. But we are Ravinder is in Kolkata and this is Megha and we are enjoying in Princess Hut.
अरे यार, stop calling.
Yes, it's good. It's good now. Alright, so that's the look.
भाई युगम ने अभी जिंदगी में पहली बार रेड वाइन टेस्ट करी है, उसके बाद उसका रिएक्शन देख लो, भाग रहा है कमरे में उछल उछल के। ये क्या किया तूने?
डाला नहीं है और डाला नहीं है तूने?
बर्थडे में मिली खराब हो जाती है
लोकेशन
हाँ।
It's not even wine.
नहीं ये ना अब नहीं ये नाम, अब नाम ऐसा जो तीनों सीजन चले। सॉरी
Guys, I can't help it. I'm ugly. I have puffy eyes because the oil's all over me. I mean, this is me without fucking makeup.
So guys, this is happening in the first time, like in the history. Khushi is gonna publish one video. She's gonna
don't say
press.
that. I published thousands of videos. Don't tell
No,
them.
you did not. This is
Oh
the
my
first
God,
time
shut
she's.
the fuck up.
I hope you turn out to
We
be the
cannot
lucky.
tell the people truth.
Achha, let's. I hope it's gonna be a very
Oh my
lucky
God,
day for
You
us.
should really see this. I'll fucking really say it.
To publish it now, Khushi, publish it. Jaldi, jaldi. Publish.
Oh.
Ain't no gunshots, but they getting low.
So it's Sunday right now. I was just uploading the vlog, then I thought of shooting this clip. So basically the video Aaoge Kabhi Haveli Pe is working so well. I hope soon it's gonna cross like 1 million. It's been 3 days. The video is on trending India, YouTube India ke page pe. I'm really glad. Thank you so much guys. And soon there will be a very big announcement that you never expected. No more details about it. I hope things goes well and I will be able to update about it very soon. Love you guys. Thank you so much for every single like, comment, share, message, collage, gift, everything. Thank you so much. Love you lot. Bye. Well, just played the music in the background, so it looks good.